These are my fat babies. They got weighed today. Little Shaddy. Shaddy's 41 grams. Fat. Oh my gosh. Nimoy, 43 grams. And look at that. Look at that girth. That's a fat bird. Don't be fooled. All the feathers. Underneath, pure fat. And look, they're back to sleep again. They're so lazy. Are you guilty? Yeah. I gave you an apple here. Nobody's touched it. Nope. Fresh apple. Did you have some apple today? You'd rather not talk? Did you have apple today? You'd rather not talk. Okay. Exercise, anyone? No? Exercise? No. Oh my gosh. Tubbos. All right. I still love you.